now I'm in the play mode, right? And I just change the size of the cube. And then if I turn off the play mode, it always go back. So what you're doing during the play mode, it doesn't affect the original scene at all. So it's very important to know if you are in the play mode or not. So I just changed play mode tint to greenish to figure out easily. But basically, it is play mode tint is kind of gray. I just recommend you to change it, not to confuse. Go to the edit and preference. You will see colors over here and here play mode tint and take the color whatever you want. And now it's very easily figure out to if you are in the play mode or not. So for example, if I change to blue, yeah, now I see the blue. And then just one more thing you need to do in the preference is actually go to the external tools. I assume your external script editor is 2019. Let's select the 2022 to use them. So that's it.